The tournament is just around the corner. It's almost 1 month to go, so you need to be extra ready for that. You know, I wanted to be 100% fit because camping period is very short, so you have to be fit before even the camping.
Now, you making the last World Cup under circumstances that everybody knows. So how much are you looking forward to the next one?
Oh, this one is very important for me, you know, because I missed the last one, and the World Cup is a very big tournament in the world, which every player's dream that they wanted to play this tournament in their career. So I think it's very important, especially mixing the last one. This is very important for me.
And how important, even more, is it that you could then say one day to your sons and daughters that, you know, I played in the first World Cup that was held on African soil?
Oh yeah, it's going to be very, very, very big thing in my career and throughout my life. You know, my kids will be happy. My grandchildren too will be happy if they see at least a videotape of a game in the World Cup.
And you know, there's been a lot of talk about South Africa and whether you will be able to host the World Cup. You know, what are you expecting when you set foot in Johannesburg on June 7th? Are you ready to start preparing for the World Cup?
You know, all over Europe, you know, people were not happy that the World Cup is in African soil, especially South Africa. They're saying that South Africans are very aggressive and stuff, but I think they are going to bring out something special, you know, because South Africa is a big country, and I think security-wise they are going to tighten things up. Especially they know that there is a big tournament coming to their country. They wanted to show a point to the whole world.
And as a player, you know, atmospheres are as important as tactics. So what would you be expecting in the stadiums and everything when you're there?
I've played a couple of games in South Africa, and I know South Africans love football, you know, so I'm not expecting nothing less than full stadium each and every game.
And you know, for you, the African players, the World Cup comes, you go there, you do well. Now, give me an idea, how prepared are you after the sort of season that you had to be able to go there and do as much as you can?
Yeah, you know, my season was okay. You know, the problem is the first round of the season I was having problems with injuries, and when I became fit and I started training hard and stay injury-free, I had problem with my ex-manager. I was so lucky that we had a new manager in the second half of the season, and the manager helped me a lot to give me confidence back, and I've played since January, so I've played all the games in the second round, apart from 1 or 2 suspensions that I had. I've played almost all the games, and I've had a lot of 90 minutes games. So match fitness-wise, I'm okay. You know, I'm ready for the big thing.
We spoke about you getting ready, and the 30 players of you who are going to come to Paris. How intense do you think the competition?
I think it's a very good thing, you know. For me especially, I love competition, you know. I'm going there to work hard in training and make sure that I'll be in the final 23, you know. My aim is to go there and enjoy training and give 110% in each and every training session.
Let me ask you about this. You live in Scotland, so you would have seen Kevin Prince Boateng. What does he bring to the match?
Well, I think it's a very big boost to the side, because he's not as old as I think, but I think he has experience, you know. He has experience that he can help the squad. He played in the Premiership, and he had a couple of good games in the Premiership. And as you know, Premiership is one of the best leagues in the world. So I think he's going to bring something to the team.
And those who say that his addition could put the places of people like at rest. Is that Will that edge you to train more, or what does that do?
In football, everything happens in football, and me especially, since I started playing football, I'm not scared of, if I'm competing with any player in the position, I'm not scared of any player. At the end of the day, the pitch will show, and the coach will be there and he will know the best will be on the pitch. So I like the challenges,
Let me take this opportunity to ask you, your club really just you're not going to renew your contract. What are the options available to you? What do you make of your 3 years?
I really enjoy my stay. If you see my throughout my career, Hearts is the team that I've played like a long term throughout my career. So from the beginning, when I went there, I was happy. I was enjoying my football. I was enjoying everything, every moment there. Still, Tsaba Laszlo came in and started giving me all sorts of problems. But I think I've enjoyed every minute there. I'm happy that I finished the season well with them. When I got there, the fans were very happy. I was the fans' favorite. And then in the middle part, they turned their back on me. But I told them, hey, I have to prove on the pitch, and I will do everything to turn things around again. And then they came back behind me because of my hard work on the pitch.